back! No, it's mine, I tell you, all mine. I've heard my listeners. The people have spoken. I have a mandate.
Mandate?
They want me to have the Opera House. And I'm going to broadcast from the Opera House 25 hours a day. I'm going to live in the Opera House. And Johnny's going to be in power forever. And we'll live 1,000 years. And my listeners will lap it up like the suckers that they are. This whole city is mine, I tell you. Eventually this whole nation and even the world is mine. Oh, 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 oh.
The tide's receding faster than your hairline, Parrot. You cons have had a good ride. Now the wave's crashing. It's all over.
What is it, Napoleon? We got here as fast as we could.
It's the Parrot. He's in there. And it looks like he's got the Opera House.
Good work, Napoleon. Okay, boys, take him out.
No, leave me alone. No, please don't. I'm melting.
They went in hard. First they fired tear gas. Then water cannons. Then they fired machine guns. And bazookas. And then battering rams. And then dogs. And then cats. And then they tried John Farnham. No, they didn't. And then they tried a flyover.
That'll be enough, boys. We don't want to get carried away.
Christ, I thought. Imagine what they do to someone they don't like.
What are you going to do to me now?
Well, that's for the courts to decide, but personally, I'll be recommending several years of community theater.
My God. That's against the Geneva Convention. But good thinking.
And I would have got away with it too if it wasn't for those meddling kids.
Or is that you meddling with kids, Parrot? Anyway, we're all in our 30s, and Neo here's got to be hitting 60.
It's a figure of speech, Napoleon.
Okay.
Okay, boys, take him away.
Oh, no, leave me, no, please, no,
Rah, rah! Jolly good show, Napoleon. Now the poor, suffering, underprivileged opera lovers of Sydney can once more pop their Rolls Royces over the bridge and patronize the arts.
No, really. I don't need to be thanked. I just need to be paid.
What are you talking about?
Well, this was a case. Somebody is going to pay me, ain't they? Neo?
Look, I'll fix you up some comps to the new David Williamson show. Although they're not very good seats, we have to save those for the corporate subscribers, you know.
Oh, well, whatever. Say, Dollface, what do you say you and me catch a show tonight?
I'd rather catch bowel cancer. Now piss off before I have you busted for loitering, not to mention those crushed rugby yobs, and get that chicken out of here.
God damn it. I just worked all day, seen some of the filthiest public toilets in Sydney, and I wasn't gonna make a dime out of it. Oh well, guess I'll just go home. Maybe I can pull some kind of radio play out of this mess. Though I don't think anyone would ever believe me.
You've been listening to on FBI 94.5. The Strange Case of the Parrot and the Stolen Sydney Opera House, written by Benito Defonso. Directed by the gorgeous Laura Milkey, who's done every radio play. Big hand for Laura Milkey. We've got to give huge thanks to the cast. On music, Brett Mavericks, Kate Fleming and Miles Merrill on sound effects, Brendan Cowell, Kate Mulvaney, Tug Dunley, and Damon Harriman. I'd also like to give big thanks to Sean Chulabara, who was our comedian for this evening. Also to DJ Jack Shit, who's been entertaining us on the decks. The studio, the listening audience right now, and of course the live audience at the studio here at the Sydney Opera House. Thank you. My name's Jess Keeley. I'll see you tomorrow morning from 6 for breakfast. It's back to you in the studio, FBI.
Meow, 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 meow.